Hello everyone, in front of me is HOTWAV W11 and let me show you how to change the date and time. First of all, open the settings, then select System and reach Date and Time. Now mark set time automatically and switch it off. From now on you will be able to smoothly and easily set both date and time manually by yourself. You can also switch off automatic time zone and select it from the list. And that's it, that will be all. So this is how you can manage date and time. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark date and time and select either network or GPS provided time. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.